Okay, so everyone's been talking about this new Gemini 3 Pro Preview release. So today we're going to be looking at what it can do. From what I've seen so far, it looks pretty insane. So let's just jump straight into this. So what I'm going to do is ask it to build me a website for an AI voice agency in the roofing niche, and let's just see what happens. Okay, so we're just trying a really simple prompt to see what happens. So I've just said, can you build me a website for an AI voice agent specifically for a roofing niche? It should have a hero title, a working AI voice agent demo that can answer general questions about the roofing business, and be able to book people in for an initial home visit. So let's give this a go and see what happens. So you can see here it's starting to build the website based on the simple prompt. So I will come back once it's finished. Okay, so you can see it spent less than 2 minutes building this, literally building the entire website. So let's allow microphone to work here. And wow. And this is the website that it made. This is insane. This is so insane. Let's try talking to the voice agent. Hi, how are you?
Hi there, I'm well. Thank you for asking. How can I help you today with your roofing needs?
I have a leak in my roof. Is that something you can help with?
Yes, absolutely. We can definitely help with roof leaks. We can schedule an inspection to figure out where the leak is coming from and get it repaired for you. Would you like to book an appointment?
Yeah, potentially. Just before we do that, do you do insurance?
We do work with various insurance companies. If you'd like to provide your insurance...
Okay, this is nuts. So I haven't configured this at all. Literally, all I did was put in that prompt you saw me do, and it's created this entire website with a live working voice AI demo. This is nuts. This is so crazy. So what you can do as well is, once you've built it, you can obviously ask it to make changes. So if there's something you didn't like about the website or about the agent, you can definitely change that. Let's see if we can change it so that we can select different voices from the website. Okay, so let's see what it does here. So you can see so far it's still running, but it understands what I've asked it, and it's going to hopefully add all of these available voices. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's finished running. Let's see, let's go full screen here. Yep. this is crazy. So it did exactly what I asked, and we've now got options for different voices that we can test. So let's try this one. Hello?
Hello, thanks for calling Apex Roofing. How can I help you today?
Hi, what sort of roofing services do you offer?
We specialize in shingles, metal, and tile roofing. We do inspections, repairs, and new installations. Are you looking for something specific?
Yeah, okay, so imagine you're an AI voice agency and you're selling voice agents to roofing. You can literally build a website in 2 minutes with a live working demo, which is game changing, so that your potential clients can talk to the agent straight away. So this takes away all of the issues with trying to implement a demo on a website using VAPI or NA10. You can literally do this straight from Google Gemini. I've done this for free. I haven't spent a single dollar. I think if you were to actually deploy this, then you would need to have a pro account and an API key and everything. But that takes like 2 minutes to set up, and it's not expensive at all. Let's have a look. I don't think these links work, but that's okay, because that's just a demo. I'm sure you could fix that with a bit more prompting. Okay, so let's try a different use case. Let's say you want to sell to real estate agents. Let's see what it can come up with. Okay, so we're trying something a little bit different here. So this is for real estate agents. So I've just said, can you create a website for a real estate agent, voice AI agency who sells agents to real estate companies? It should have a clean professional look with a hero banner and a working AI agent that can handle all things a receptionist at a real estate company would be able to. It should have an option to change different voices for the demo agent, And I've also said, could you also have a second AI voice agent demo that is specifically for emergency calls from tenants with things like leaks or people getting locked out of their homes? So let's see what this thing can do. Okay, so it ran for, again, less than 2 minutes. Let's allow the microphone and see what we've got. So, pretty clean website. Nice banner. Wow, okay. Look how clean this is. So we asked it to have 2 demos and it's done that. Wow. This is so freaking good. I cannot believe this. Okay, let's test this out. So we've got the receptionist first. So scheduling FAQs. Hi there.
Hello, thank you for calling Prestige Estates. How may I help you?
I wanted to discuss buying a property with someone. Is that something you can help with?
Yes, I can help schedule a property viewing for you. May I get your name and phone number?
Okay, wow. Let's try the emergency demo. Hello?
Hello, this is Mark with Prestige Estates Urgent Support. Is everyone safe?
Yep, we just have a leak coming through our roof. Is that something you can help with?
Yes, I can help. What is the address you are at? And can you safely turn off the main water valve?
Yeah, that's crazy. Okay. So you can see that if you're an AI voice agency and you're wanting to have a nice clean website with a working demo, this is such an easy way to do it. This is absolutely game changing. I'm definitely going to use this myself. To deploy this, you have a couple of options. So you can save it to GitHub and then you can deploy it with something like Vercel for free, and that probably takes a couple of minutes. If you want a video on that, I can make one. You can also just download it and deploy it however you kind of feel the need to. You would need to link the a Google Gemini API key within the app or the website to have it working properly. And you could play around with the prompting to make sure that these links actually do something to build it out a bit more. But you can see, I mean, this is insane, guys. This is absolutely insane. I'm kind of speechless. And you can see, I mean, it's built out the entire website. You've got all the code here. This is nuts. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I don't think anyone was expecting this, but this is massive. So I'm definitely going to be playing around with this a bit more, seeing what it can do, how easy it is to deploy, how easy it is to kind of build out the full working website exactly how we want it. But definitely give this a go. I'll leave the link to this in the description. You can try it for free and see how you get on.